All right, what's going on? Techie Rod here. I got a laptop that I received about a week ago, or almost a week ago, a few days, whatever. Ordered the part off eBay, so first part of the video will be me disassembling the laptop because I am replacing the screen and the bezel and the hinges. So I ordered a whole new replacement, used replacement off eBay. It should be here today, and I'll be able to finish the video. And so I'll be basically I'm trying to get the top case off so I can unscrew the hinges, and that way the whole top LCD assembly can be removed. And from there I can install the new slash used screen. So we'll go from there and we'll check back when everything's complete. Right. This is a laptop Compaq. Going to be doing a screen replacement on it. Going to need to take a lot of stuff apart just to get to the screen. Hard drive cover. Really don't want to have to take out the hard drive, to be honest with you. Rather not have to take all of this out, but I guess I'm going to have to. Not hard work, not rocket scientist type of stuff. Very easy. Basically just taking this is the hard drive I'm removing. It comes right out. We'll put the screws back where they belong because I don't want to lose anything. There's any screws, that is. Well, that didn't have a screw right there, so. Alright. So this is what you're looking at basically. You're looking at taking the screws out of here. There's a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 15 screws. Optical drive will come out. I'm assuming I don't want to take it out, but I guess I gotta take it out. And the optical drive should just slide right out. I'm assuming it should. Don't want to, but I don't want to force it out. Maybe it'll come out. Oh shit. That wasn't what I wanted to happen. Maybe I can fix that. Ooh, you made a boo-boo. But it's all good because it happens. this type of stuff happens in this field. See? It's right back in. So there you have the optical drive. So that's out. Now we have a bunch of screws that I don't want to lose. Look at that. Ooh, it's a lot of screws. We got one long one for the most part. They all look the same size. So there you got a bunch of screws. They all look like they came out, except this one in the rear corner didn't come out. That one will come out. I don't really think I need to take that battery out. They all came out for the most part. There's the last one, which was a long one. So we got two long ones. That one came from over there. So I'm not going to take out the Wi-Fi card. I've taken out pretty much everything I want to take out. Maybe these last 2, 3 I'll pull out from the battery. I really don't want to go that far with the screws because I don't feel it's necessary. So, first time doing one of these laptops. So, let's see how it goes. Battery is 2. This is 3 batteries. And I see another few back here, but I don't think I need to remove those. Maybe I do though, because I need this whole lid to come off the top. So let me just go ahead. Come on. See what happens when... There we go. These are really small screws. You have to be really careful with these screws when you're dealing with them. So that's about it. Now we'll flip it back over. Now that's the whole back assembly. All the screws removed. RAM, hard drive, Wi-Fi card I leave there. Battery, all battery screws. And now this screen is just totally broke. So this is what we're trying to take off, this whole lid right here, because it is destroyed. So now we'll move the keyboard. This shouldn't be too hard. Side screws. Oh, they are. Darn it. There are side screws. Ooh, you see that? There's your keyboard. Be careful because there is a ribbon cable underneath that you will have to unlatch, and your keyboard comes off like that. Very dirty too, needs to be cleaned out. I'll clean that out on the way. putting it back in. All right, so look at that. That is dusty. A lot of dust underneath this thing. So this is what you have now. Now I just need to remove this top piece, so I'll go ahead and unscrew that. I don't know if I want to unscrew anything else. This was underneath the board. So now, if I'm correct, all right. So I have the new screen right here, and I have just finished taking off the old screen. So this is the old screen. It's off. So now you have, I'm recording this with my iPhone. So now you have just the board by itself. Here's the broken hinge from the old screen, which will go right there. And here is the new screen. All right. So I will set my phone back where I had it over here, and we will continue to work. All right. A lot of screws with this, a lot of screws. So with this new screen, great packaging, package. I couldn't have packaged it better. Beautifully packaged. Oh, beautiful screen. Beautiful setup, beautiful screen. You got on this bottom left is webcam, and this is for video. So I will attempt put the first screen on. This is kind of tricky. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, I think. So we will put place the first screw in place. I believe that goes there. Oof, hot. When you're doing this kind of work, you get hot. I wish I could put it at a better angle so you guys can see better, but you can't really see what I'm doing, so maybe right there. Yeah, maybe that's a better angle. Alright, so we got one set of screws in. I want to run the wires that, and then it went into, I believe, one of these it went to, but we'll figure that out. Right now we just want to get the screen assembly in. So we got this side locked in, but now this side right here is seeming to be an issue. So I don't get what's the problem right here. I wonder. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Snapped right in. First snap. That is amazing. Beautiful snap. Oh, I don't want too much weight. There we go. We got a screen. Alright guys, so check it out. We have a screen. Compaq CQ57 screen. Just in excellent mint condition. Beautiful, beautiful screen. Now I will be putting everything back together, which is going to be fun. Alright, make sure these are in tight. And now I have to do some cable routing. Where does this go? Alright, so I believe that went down there. Yeah, there we go. That went down there. We'll do some cable tucking in. So, happy customer, you know. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. Alright. I'll stop the video. I'm going to stop the video and I will continue. I will continue when we are about to, when pretty much everything's reassembled. So for right now, the screen is pretty much locked in place with all the latches right here. Right there and right there. Had to remove that speaker right there, get up underneath that, and we'll go from there until when I start the video over again, it'll be pretty much pre-assembled and I'll turn it on. Alright, peace. Alright, doing the finishing touches up on this laptop. I think this is it. Finishing touches. On this, battery, Wi-Fi, everything's in there. No screws left over. Just a good sign. No screws left over. And battery. Now, plug the battery back up. Alright. All the screws are in. Alright, here we go. So we have all the screws back in, and we will do a power on test. See how this goes. Right, looks good. Starting up. That works great. Awesome. Looks good. And there you have it. Job well done. So, all right, we completed the installation of the screen, bezel, hinges. The whole setup is complete. So, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Hit me up, or even subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw. Thanks.